to Emmanuel Bitters Challenge. Nice. Like a Coca-Cola, eh? How is it, Emmanuel?
Good.
Let's show the guys, the world, what this man is drinking. Full goodness. If you want to grow your kids strong and beautiful like mighty Emmanuel, come on, you're looking good. You're looking good. Show the world how you're strong.
Go, Emmanuel, one drink.
No.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Emmanuel, 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 Emmanuel. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. Emmanuel, 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 Emmanuel. Go on, go on, go on. Drink it, my youth.
Got it.
Yes, yes, you're nearly there. Boom. Welcome to Lion Shiloh Bitters Challenge. When you're ready.